basically, oh, this is interactive. So you write a PRD and then you convert it to JSON, which is what I was going to show. So this is a structured spec. And again, this is moving along that spectrum or balance between unstructured information or semi-structured or highly structured. So all of a sudden, this is not just a markdown file. This is JSON with specific fields in a specific kind of schema where you've got IDs, you've got titles, you've got acceptance criteria, and whether it passes or not. And that's the key thing that gets updated in each iteration.
And PRD is product requirements document, I just learned.
Yes. So then, you run your loop, and the loop it picks a story, AMP or whatever agent harness you use, and then it implements it. It writes code, it writes tests, then it commits the changes. So this is actually kind of actively, autonomously committing to Git, which is something that is kind of scary for me. But if you manage your branches, okay, it's actually really powerful, because then the Git log can be used as a system of record of progress and a way for the agent to figure things out. So I'm slowly releasing more control to the AI overlords, including making Git commits. So once it commits changes, if the tests pass, so you need to have a testable, and this is a key thing that is kind of glossed over here, is you need to have verifiable tests, verifiable way to know if something is done or not, or if it's correct or not. So if test pass, it commits the changes and it updates this PRD.json, right? It would basically just search for the passes field and set it to true. And that way it's going to be in the set of things that are not needed to be implemented in the next iteration. And then it logs learnings to a text file. So this is something that helps it to kind of improve over time and figure things out with less trial and error and more success. So eventually it might have struggled with several iterations for what relative path to use to load some library or something like that, but that it eventually figured it out. And this is stuff that you should have maybe had in your front-end agents.md or something. And that is another thing. And it's noted here, you can update your agents.md with patterns discovered for future iterations of other features. The difference here, and there's a key difference, is that agents.md is meant to be used universally in your repo for whatever you're doing with your repo. So it is completely independent from the feature or the project that you're doing on your repo. Whereas this progress.txt is for this set of sites.
Did you like that clip? Well, check out the full episode. Leonardo and I put OpenProse through its paces. We check out Ralph Wiggum and the Ralph Loop, all sorts of great discussion related to AI coding, different models, different agents, different harnesses. Check out, the link is in the description. Also, please join our Discord community. We've got great content, great discussions, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.